Weirdest thing just happened to me. I was walking to my office and this lady that I've never met in my life just waves at me and says, "Good luck today," with this massive smile on her face. So I just sort of waved back at her and I was like, "You too." So moral of the story is either she's the nicest person on earth or she's a little crazy, or both. Okay, so today is gonna be basically comprised of a bunch of unboxing. We have 3 super cool unboxings here. 1, 2, 3. This surprisingly might be the most expensive. We're gonna do it first. It is also the heaviest. I am so excited to see these. Oh my goodness, they put metal staples in here. I mean, I guess so. It weighs 1,000,000 pounds. I ordered in a whole bunch of brand new stickers for mystery boxes and just to put up on the site in general. These designs are so good. Some of these are gonna be the t-shirt designs for the upcoming boxes in July. But then we're also gonna be putting these up just as individual sticker packs if you guys wanna get a bunch of cool stickers on the website. Look at this, this is what 5,000 stickers looks like. We're just gonna be putting a whole bunch of these in boxes and sticker packs as well on the website if you guys wanna go grab one right now. But Mickey Mouse, Dead-Eye design. We have a teddy bear Dead-Eye design. This one is my absolute favorite. We have an ice cream Dead-Eye design. We have the Stay Safe COVID mask guy. We have, what else? We have the Dead-Eye smiley face. There are so many stickers in here. Wow. Wow, wow. This is so awesome. And obviously you're not gonna purchase 5,000 stickers without putting at least a couple of them up in the city. I do not encourage property damage, but I mean, if you want to, you could easily scrape this off. These look sick. Okay, this one is admittedly probably a little bit more exciting than the stickers, although I'm pretty excited about the stickers. This is I got them for a good price. I got them for 1,000, except I think they're like $1,200 now, which is insane. Pair of shoes that is going, you know, last time we unboxed some shoes, I had the knife. I should really just carry around the knife with me. I don't know why people do this, but I don't actually want these to go everywhere. I'm not littering. Save the turtles. Here we have, you guys already see what's up, a pair of Jordan 1s. Oh wow, these things are so nice. So these are going inside of the July mystery box, but I thought I'd unbox them here on the channel anyway, even if it's not a personal pickup for myself. Wow, wow, wow. Boom. Jordan 1 UNCs. These are going in the July mystery box, so I won't spend too much time on them, but what an amazing pair of shoes. I have a pair of these at home that are also dead stock, which just, I need to wear them. I need to wear them, absolutely. This is one of the best Jordan 1 colorways ever. I'm putting it up there with the Breads, I'm putting it up there with the Shadows that I'm wearing right now, I'm putting it up there with the Royals. In terms of a white-based Jordan 1, I think you have these in the Chicagos, and there's really no competition beyond that. These are so cool. It's like a $1,200 shoe. Surprisingly, this is not the most expensive thing that we're unboxing today though. We have the last package today that goes for $4,000 on eBay. We need to do this one right. We need to do this one properly. We are going back to the studio to unbox one of the stupidest and most amazing things we've ever unboxed on the channel ever. Okay, so we have what I think might be a really cool unboxing, might also just be a really... I've had this package sitting in my office for the past 2.5 weeks because I think this is something that I was supposed to wait to unbox today. Didn't confirm that this is the actual package, but it's like the right... I think it's the package. If this is just like office supplies, then I deeply apologize. But if it's not office supplies, then this is like... You know what, let's just unbox this. Reassembled in... Okay, I think this is the right thing. Why would you put so much tape? Ugh. Let me preface this statement with I know absolutely nothing about what this product is, except for the fact this is a $1,010.10 shirt that is a combination of 10 brands. Supreme, Nike, North Face, Adidas, Stussy, Stussy, Bape, Palace, Kith, Chinatown Market, Off-White. They have all of the brands on this sticker here. The brand is MSCHF, Mischief. Exciting. $1,000 t-shirt. This is a $24 t-shirt that I got on sale, I guess. Ow. That actually really hurt. Be careful when cutting things open. That was a very sturdy sticker. What are we working with? We have a plastic bag of the shirt. We have very cool packaging. Already I'm seeing like a pull tab. 10 brands, 1 shirt. It's like a big pull tab tag. It sort of feels like an off-white tag. How? This is like a freezer bag that they put this in. This is so absurd. This is $1,000. I don't even understand. 10 brands, 1 shirt. What in the world? What in the world? Is this cut and sew? Why is the tag so long? This is gonna scratch my back. Quick interruption, I know what I'm doing back here is very exciting and fine and dandy, except I got too excited and too wrapped up in the moment that I forgot to tell you some amazing things. Number 1, these shirts are limited to 1,000 pieces. That's it, that's all that exists in the world. Number 2, someone like myself that got their hands on it really early. I mean, I've had this sitting here for a month already. They unboxed it early and the owner of the brand told me that it got sold on eBay for $4,000, which is just insane that this costs $4,000. Number 3, if you guys do want to purchase one, I'll leave the link down in the description. As I said, they are extremely limited and just released, and there's only 1,000 of them. And if you have a spare $1,010.10 laying around, go pick one up. Back to me freaking out about it. I don't know what all of these brands are. I mean, here we have Bape. You could see the P and the E. We have Off-White. We have Palace, we have Nike on the sleeve, the golden ratio. I think that's also Off-White. We have something here. There's so many brands. Back of the shirt, we have even more. Once again, there's Palace, there's whatever this is, there's North Face on the back, this is one of the most ridiculous things I've ever seen in my life. This is actually hilarious. The tag says they just cut up 10 shirts and stuck it into 1 shirt. I can only imagine what this cost them to chop up Off-White and Palace and Supreme and North Face. Like, these are expensive t-shirts. Can I pull it off is the question. Dylan, do I look cool? Are the kids gonna respect me now? Are the kids gonna respect me, Dylan?
Do a circle, do a spin. There it is. You could pull it off pretty good.
Check this thing out here. Does it look cooler if I have my hat crooked?
Yeah, if you have your hat. Oh, that actually doesn't, that looks sort of cool. You could be a Japanese fashion model for sure.
Alexander Wang, here we come.
Okay, so basically, Josh, someone paid $4,000 for one of these. These retail for $1,010.10.
What's in here?
But someone paid $4,000. Guys, by the way, Josh is my financial advisor, and I sort of run expensive purchases by him. So would you approve of me spending $4,000 on this?
What did you do, man? $4,000? This is more than some people's car.
I should also say that Josh has a brand new YouTube channel, and if you guys want to check it out, I'm helping him get it started. He does a whole bunch of stuff about investing, how to spend money, how not to spend money, like the stupid sports car that he bought. Link in the description if you guys want to go subscribe. All right, $4,000. Would you do it?
I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna tell you this is worth $4,000.
Yes.
This is a shirt?
It's a shirt.
This is a shirt.
It is a t-shirt.
And it looks way too big on anyone. This, someone paid $4,000. I mean, this is kind of cool. This is actually pretty dope, but 4,000 bucks? That's ridiculous.
I don't know, such a weird product, such a cool product. $1,010.10 t-shirt. What do you guys think of this? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'll be 100% honest. I think it's a really cool product and concept, but I will never wear it. So we're going to be putting this in the mystery box for one of you guys. This is going to be in a mystery box along with the UNC ones. I know, shameless plug, but go pick one up with the link down in the description. They're only $50 and we're putting the best stuff that we've ever had in them. And we have a huge announcement coming soon about some really just stupid stuff that we're doing with it. that I don't know why I'm doing. Of course, sticker packs are available through that link as well, but enough shameless plugging, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. You guys are my favorite people on earth. It is beautiful outside today. I'm gonna, you know, go outside, go for a jog. I'm not gonna go for a jog. Maybe a boosted board ride, maybe, although my battery still isn't working. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll be back soon with a brand new video. So until then, peace.